Today I'll teach you how to use WebClient in Windows Forms application. So let's start. As you can see on your screen, this is a JSON file, and this particular JSON file I have hosted on GitHub, and it will be accessed through an API. That particular API will be called using WebClient class. This is a Windows form. Now I'm adding a TextBox to the form and I'm setting the multi-line to true. Let's move to the code behind. So here I am adding a namespace system.net. It is required for the WebClient class. Now inside the form load event handler, here I am setting a property expect 100 continue to true. This particular property belongs to the service point manager class. When this particular property is set to true, data will only be sent when the initial headers such as authorization headers etc. are okay. So this actually saves bandwidth, because what happens, sometimes there is rejection from the server, and in that case again we have to send the complete header as well as the data back to the server. The second property is security protocol, and it also belongs to the service point manager class. This particular property specifies the security protocol we are using. So as per your server requirement, you can set the security protocol. Now further you will notice I have created an object of WebClient class, and I am making use of the download string method of the WebClient class to call the API on GitHub. I have passed the URL of the API to the download string method, and the result, which is actually a JSON string, is being captured in a string variable. And finally, I'm assigning the JSON string to TextBox. Now let's move back to the form, and now it's time to run our project and see it in action. As you can see, the TextBox is populated with data from the JSON data. With this, we come to the end of this video. Today we learned how to use WebClient in Windows Forms application. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please also click on the bell icon so that you receive notifications. Goodbye.